welcome to Curly Money Vlogs, and if you haven't yet, you need to like and subscribe, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. And today I will be cutting my hair because it's getting really long for the past years right now. So we're just going to cut it so it'll grow back in a few years, right? So let's just start it. Come on guys, let's cut my hair, and I'm actually really excited even though like the past few years that we haven't cut my hair. I actually loved it, but we have to cut it now because it's getting really long and I actually love it, but we have to get rid of it. So that's all I need to say. So let's cut.
Your hair.
My beautiful long hair. Oh my god, bak may puto. Look at my hair, guys. What happened?
Good to fix pa.
Let's go. I actually love the bubble cut. I really wanted one. Oh my god. May nakita ko gumagapang na puto.
Doon ka na tingin.
Be careful ah. Baka hindi pantay. Ipantay mo.
Ikaw malikot.
Hanggang dito sa mukha ko.
Ikaw malikot. Di pa tapos.
Look at it. Happy is laughing at me.
Bakit ganta nga?
Just trust the process.
Trust the process. Mommy is good.
Let me look
Wait,
at
di
it.
pa nga tapos.
Ah!
Dito ka muna.
I look like a Karen.
Steve.
It's a Karen. She's only saying, I want to see the manager.
Dito.
Ang buhok ko.
Wala, hindi pa tapos.
Let me look at it. Okay, unti lang. Huwag mo damihan.
Napantay ko. Ang likot mo. Maubos ito mamaya. Dito sa side.
Subukan mo. Nakabito ka.
Dito.
Paano na ako tatali?
Kaya pa, di ka na magtali-tali. Wait lang. Excited naman to. Hindi pa nga tapos. Hindi pa tapos. Bakit? Dito.
I regret saying I like it. I actually hate it.
Kapaka-OA. Wait.
I already have a bob cut and it's actually so ugly and I need to have ugly bangs.
Hindi naman ugly. Ganun.
I trust you, okay? Ano ba?
Mahal. Basta ka to. Hindi pa tapos. Halika mo na dito. Oh. Hindi pa nga tapos. Yan lang kasi. Dali siya.
Mas mabuta po yung mas ko to.
Haba naman yan. Isang di ko lang mabala ulit yan. Kabaniwala dyan sa ate mo. Ikitira yan. Yung bango itong gutik ko eh.
I don't like your style. I don't like your style.
Hoy,
It's ugly.
hindi. Ganda nga eh. Mamaya, magpatanong ka sa mga ano mo kung
Ano, sino ko?
dyan sa
Friend?
channel mo. Sabi tayo dito, hindi pantay.
Oh my God. Sorry guys for not posting like in a month because I've been busy like I've been busy because it's always raining even though this is a summer because this is called tag-ulan. It's always raining because it's tag-ulan na. Another chunk of my beautiful hair at my kuto. I don't have any words. I am speechless.
Why?
It looks like I have a wolf cut.
No, it's not. It's ganda nga eh.
Alam mo yung wolf cut? I want a wolf cut for years.
It's wolf cut.
It's trending on TikTok. It's like a bob cut.
It's for all, ano yun, not for kids.
Hindi, it's actually for kids also. Mayroon kids din. It's just rained like earlier, so we couldn't do this like earlier because it was raining and it was really loud.
Oh, malikot mo.
I'm watching you.
Madi, sandali.
Oh my God.
Ayos ka ah.
No. Look at my hair. It's just flying away.
Kita mo yung hair niya.
Look at that. My pile of hair. My pile. Ay, what is that? Let me add it to my beautiful hair.
Pati na ba yun dito? Saka dito, parehas na.
So guys, this is actually the finished product. I look like a carrot. I want to see a manager. And I actually love it, how it came. I actually love how it came. So don't judge me if you don't like it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in my next video. And God bless you as always. Bloop.